3, 2, 1, go.
Hey guys! Welcome to the Troublesome Brothers. Today, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's raining and thundering and lightning. So we thought it would be a great idea. Well, I thought it would be a great idea. Don't want to do it. Just stand out who can stay out in the rain the longest. And if we see lightning, we should probably go inside, but we don't know what we're gonna do.
We stay out here until we get.
And every 5 minutes we get a punishment. So let's start. Alright, okay.
Hey, thanks, man.
Here's our first punishment. 3, 2, 1, go.
My booty's wet. Okay.
Oh, great. What do you mean?
Okay. Recording?
Yes, sir.
Hey, this is the phone that makes me look chunky.
Gotta record the
Yes, sir. No, that was my editing software. Okay, second punishment is laying on the cement.
But in 5 more minutes, so at the 10-minute mark. And we're zooming. Whoever makes it from here doesn't need to. Can only wait for 30 seconds beside a minute. Okay, you first, Jordan.
This is only the 30-second mark?
So, if you make it, you get 30 seconds.
You can
all make it.
Miss! Oh! Now we get a minute laying on the cement.
I think I get a minute as well.
Jordan doesn't get 30. You always get lucky in these kind of videos, like where you get like wet. So.
And I'm good with the eating ones.
I'm good with none of them.
Miss! Oh, yes! Okay.
So, Quinn's gonna set the
Right.
timer.
About. So, you get to the. Let's see.
Oh, look at
The 20 mark. Ready, set, go.
I got the. Well.
Woo! Jordan gets 30 seconds, me and Quinn get 1 minute. This is cold. I should have changed my shirt. Ow. What's the next punishment? Hard?
Yes, sir. Taking off shoes. That should be the next punishment. Okay, Jordan, you're done.
Oh, yes, sir. Jordan's like, yeah. No, woo. I think my mom's gonna drive by and go, what are you guys doing? Is this still not 1 minute?
And we are done.
Okay, 5 minutes is starting now.
Okay, I say we run to the park with our shoes off, but we do another thing that you can keep your shoes on. So like another.
Good.
But let's just go for this good old basketball, right?
There you go, man. We don't need that.
There you go.
I'll go back there.
Good cold. I don't want to get out, but I do.
Let's play a game of pool.
Ooh.
The winner. The winner is to run to the park with their shoes on.
Okay.
Okay. Gordon can start because you won.
Here we go.
You know how to play pig, right?
It's kind of slowing down now, but since it's and then
you second?
you can be second. No, you don't need it. You don't need to do defense. Just a simple one-handed layer. No, I was trying to bar that, but
Flexion just gives a strike.
That's a corner.
Oh no. Frick.
Come on, corner, you gotta mess up so I can
Oh, the
win.
flashlights are off. I don't know if it's gonna see us. Someone go just put their foot on the sensor, right where that line is. The rod line. There you go.
okay. Do I get to shoot anywhere now? Or?
Yeah, I
No.
guess.
Because he missed.
When did it shoot?
Right?
You did.
But he missed.
Well, you still have to shoot. So if you miss.
We're playing two different ways.
Yeah, you do. If you miss, you go down to PI.
I don't got here.
I got one. 73. Are we playing?
Hey.
Hey.
So me and him both have two. Oh, I'm so close. Give me this.
Oh my, what in the holy sweet mama?
Well, I
Go away!
March down my soul. Miss, please, miss. I don't want to do this.
Don't behind the hoop. Thank goodness.
Thank goodness.
Oh, that! Oh. Why am I panicking on this one?
I know I'm gonna
Go back a little bit, There you go. Yeah.
What?
Oh, yeah, right there. Miss, you got miss.
Quinn is just right here.
What? Miss! How?
Jordan needs to stump us one more time. We need to get Jordan.
Oh, that's fucking trash.
do some easy ones so if he.
Bro!
You can't do that. Oh, frick.
Yeah. Same speed, but eyes closed.
You didn't have your eyeballs
Yes, I
closed.
did. I went like this.
I saw them open.
I still did.
Oh. Is it 5 minutes?
I think it's almost that. Right, yeah! He could be out.
Yeah, shoot.
Oh, I just.
Tobys out, he's dead.
He's out.
He needs one more.
Okay.
Now I have to walk through this. Not my shoes.
Same kind?
Here it comes. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Dang, dude, whatever.
Oh.
Oh, there goes
The last one was flying off.
Okay, back.
Stop.
Oh, just dance it hard and hope that. Okay,
Dang it.
dang it!
Doesn't matter where you land.
That.
No, you didn't make it.
Oh, how was that backwards? I was gonna do one
Hey,
quick.
who can do the most layups from this white little thing? Okay? You have to at least make.
Shoot.
No, until I miss.
Or if you want to go to the war team, you can practice.
You have to at least make 3.
I'll gotta make 4. Here?
Yeah. 1.
Jordan needs one more.
Make 1?
2. 6. 7.
It's so cold.
Just.
What?
I heard that.
Okay, to shoot. Go around 6.
Get him out quick!
Come on,
You guys need one more.
No, he has a shoot.
I do.
Jordan's like so excited.
I can actually
Dude, it's cold.
Oh, you gotta miss, my guy. You did an easy one.
Yeah, because I have to go like.
Oh, I should do another one.
What? I
Ah!
have to stand like this and look shit like this. And I used to be open, but you have to look at me in the eyes. Oh,
scared.
Oh, I'm gonna set up.
Miss. Oh, Jordan, miss me.
You make it clean.
Oh, that was so close.
Okay. Got it.
Ooh.
What was that?
Stop! Get someone out.
It's gonna be
Preferably Jordan.
Yeah.
Don't touch the pole.
Like if we could raise it, but.
What's that?
Well, we can, but it's so difficult.
Just. I want to do easy one because sometimes easy. I don't know what.
Quinn, just do a simple one.
Free throw.
Free for free.
No!
Dude, these just don't miss. Can you die already?
Okay. Yes! PI, but we need one more.
At the start, these things.
Dude, it's like.
No.
Yeah, okay.
Oh. Ready?
Shoot me.
Oh, bravo!
Miss!
These clowns lost and they had shoes off.
Oh, sorry, getting wet.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Ready, set, go.
Our feet are soaked. There's Quinn's, and the Jordan's got shoes.
Because I'm a W.
Okay, now we're on the last punishment, trying to get each other out. Stepping on grass or going in the garage.
You can step on grass. Because we stepped on grass to grab the back.
No.
Wait.
Oh, frick!
He's out.
One out.
Freaking heck!
Yeah, he's following me like a little creepy clown. He is. I'm gonna push that out, so you gotta get out.
I'm not gonna grab it if it goes out. On it?
Yeah, I want it.
I'm Colby.
That's what they all say.
Yeah, why don't you get it? Why don't you go grab it?
What is?
Why don't you go grab it? I'll probably do it.
That was the end.
Nope.
I could grab this game.
Come on, Jordan, go grab it.
Yeah, Quinn. You put your feet on there so I can step pointer back and grab it.
Yeah, I'll pass.
You're still
Oh.
making it if your feet are touching?
George just made it to this side now.
to where the van meets the sidewalk right there?
No,
Or just...
So, then you can't go past this line.
Oh, it's what's out, he's out.
I'm already out. Can't go past this?
Right, this line.
Out, he's out.
This line right here.
Okay, now we just have to stay in this side right here.
Have a race? To what? Just to the end and back.
Run?
Yeah, just one. 3, 2, 1, go! I thought you was gonna slip and fall out. That's it. I almost got out. My foot was on the line. Your foot has to be all the way over touching. My foot was like this.
Shoving will begin when this timer hits 10 minutes. We have
An hour?
1 minute and 5 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
I got big group. Wait, I'm trying to go back.
Let's just see if it gets you. Wait, trust me right now. Trust me.
Battery's at 20%. Hurry up.
Go to the crowd. Go. No.
Jordan wins.
I don't
It's Jordan's face. Jordan wins another challenge. There's the winner. Losers right here. Second place is there.
We just have to do an eating challenge in that way.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe, leave a like. Thanks for watching.
Good. Holy.
I think this is my plan. Just take off my socks. If I'm gonna win, I just have to.
What do you mean when? That's my job.
Is that your socks?
Both of them.
Okay.
This man got no glasses. He can see things in front of him. Is it warm?
Oh,
Is it cold?
feels nice.
Is it like a hot tub?